Cats and dogs, oil and water, and Hurricanes and Seminoles. Generally, they don't mix well. But on Saturday afternoon at the Senior Bowl, FSU's Christian Ponder and Miami's Leonard Hankerson played like the best of friends. I think you're supposed to know the Canes and Knowles aren't supposed to get along, but you and Hankerson had some good chemistry. Just talk about that.
Yeah, you know what? He's a really good player, and there's a lot of talent on his roster, but I remember Hank just watching film on Miami and everything, and I mean, he did really well, and he makes it easier on me when you have receivers to throw to like that.
We kicked the whole lot today. Canes and the Knowles, we got that rivalry, but once we're on the field together on the same team, we gotta have fun with each other. We gotta be able to make plays with each other, and that's what we did today.
For Hankerson, a great day capped off a great week, which capped off an unbelievable season. The ACC's leading receiver caught 72 balls this year for over 1,100 yards. On Saturday, he caught 5 more balls for almost 100 yards and a touchdown. This week in Mobile certainly improved the Canes draft stock.
I feel like I helped myself a lot by just coming here, being focused, getting in the playbook, making plays for the team, and just having fun.
He's a great player, man. I like his work ethic. I like how he go after it, and all-around player, man. What else could you ask for?
I knew he was going to be a heck of a player, and he's a great kid, and I really enjoyed the short time we had together.
Ponder came to Southern Alabama to prove one thing, that he could still fling the football. And after a solid week, he reeled in game MVP honors with 131 yards and 2 touchdowns. And in the process, made a statement to scouts.
The biggest thing for me was to show that I was healthy, and I thought I came out and threw the ball well, and hopefully scouts took away that my elbow's fine and everything, and the week went really well for me.
I knew he always had it. This year he had some injuries and had some tough times, but I'm really happy for him to come out here and perform like that.
He talked about all week the number one thing he wanted to show was he was healthy. Did he show that?
I think he did. He completed the game. He moved around the pocket well. He ran around. He completed a lot of passes and, led us to a victory.
So Hankerson probably made himself some money this week, while Ponder silenced some of his doubters. The Cane and the Knoll came together for a huge Senior Bowl, and now appropriately will go their separate ways as they get ready for the NFL Draft. In Mobile, Alabama, Paul Boron for CST Tonight.